Invest Karnataka 2022. Invest Karnataka 2022 summit was virtually inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently. What is Invest Karnataka 2022? The Invest Karnataka 2022 summit is a global investment summit that is organized in Bengaluru to attract foreign investments and create a development plan for the next decade. The three-day summit commenced on November 2 this year. During the event, the state will be able to showcase its cultural and investment prospects to countries across the globe. It is held based on the theme, Build for the World. This theme reflects Karnataka government's aim to reap the benefit of the global supply chain. The summit involves participation of more than 80 speakers, including famous industrialists like Kumar Mangalam Birla, Sajjan Jindal, and Vikram Kirloskar and others. More than 500 exhibitioners will get the opportunity to present their ideas in several business exhibitions that are organized in tandem with the speaker sessions. The event includes country sessions. Each of these sessions will be hosted by partner countries: France, Germany, Netherlands, South Korea, Japan, and Australia. The high-level ministerial and industrial delegations from their respective countries will participate in these sessions. What is the key outcome of the first day of the event? During the inaugural day of the Invest Karnataka 2022, the state government signed Memorandums of Understanding, MOUs, worth 5.20 lakh rupees crore. Several industry leaders have announced investments in Karnataka. 7 companies invested 2.9 lakh rupees crore in the manufacturing, green hydrogen and derivative sector. These companies include Acme, Renew and ABC, Avada and JSW. MOUs worth 1.29 lakh rupees crore were inked under the renewable energy sector. Vedanta committed an investment of 80,000 crore rupees for this sector. Under the manufacturing, sunrise sector, the state government